Thank you very much. Ahiyabele tumbo tumbo iyae. Ahiyabele tumbo tumbo iyae. Ahiyabele tumbo tumbo iyae. Iyae 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 iyae. Ahiyabele tumbo. Ahiyabele tumbo tumbo iyae. Ahiyabele tumbo tumbo. Ayiwa sikini si oye tori makune kune. Asawana wakinesi tori makune kune. Adakabore sinisi tori makune kune. Awajasari kinesi tori makune kune. Adaketa mukinesi tori makune kune. No pabri kinesi tori makune kune. Nangi kinesi tori makune kune. Tawlo go kinesi tori makune kune. So so Asawala. Thank you very much. Asatoi. Thank you very much. And you know very well that IYC stand for truth, or always stand and defend the truth. Wherever Rivers will stand, that's what we're going to stand for. This is not ethnic war. We're talking of Rivers State, the collective interest of Rivers State. And anybody that want to go against the interest of Rivers State, IYC will stand and resist them, no matter how placed they are today. We saw something that played out this morning, and I think that situation will be taken care of. I want to assure you, where is that this thing? The envelope. Bouncer, where's the envelope? Hey, bring that one. Thank you. Our governor. That is what Asawana. So. That is what about you. You've been accepted by Rivers people. You have been accepted. You have been accepted by Rivers people. You have been accepted by general public of Rivers State. Governor, rest assured, this is not political party matter. It is gender. I am not just saying for the first. We have to back up the leaders of the Ijaw Youth Council, the leaders of the Besu, leaders of Sawana. On that platform, I am saying that the Ijaw Youth Council will stand and resist anybody. We stand and resist anybody that want to go against this government. We will never let ourselves on that. It is not a mere threat. Allow anybody or any group of people, any group of people, to cause destruction of Rivers State. This is a governor we came together in our number to vote for. Our PVCs are ready. We are ready anytime, any day. We cannot be sustaining this country, and yet we will never have Rivers State. Rivers will have accepted you. You can decide to stay in Rivers. You will perfectly very well. But anybody that want to stand against you, I can tell you for free that we are going to stand against them. Let me say you talk. Asawana, on behalf of the Ijaw Youth Council, my leader, our governor, we present this award to you on behalf of IYC and Ijaw Youth Council. We want to be operating in a secretariat where we can assemble and be doing our thing. We are autonomous zone. Boss, the things we want are listed in this envelope. Let me allow my president, which is 1 minute, to talk to you, sir. Thank you very much.
In the 56th anniversary of our hero, Major Jasper Adakaboro. This only reaffirms one thing, that the goals of the Ijaw Nation are with you fully. The entire Ijaw Nation is never divided, but they are with you 101%. It is my admonition to every dissenting voices that are within the Ijaw Nation to retrace their steps and stand behind a man whom God has a purpose for the people of Rivers State. On this historic day, your governor, the people's governor, we are using this medium to declare an absolute solidarity with you from the beginning till the end of this your struggle. Because your struggle represents the hopes of all Ijaw people everywhere in the world. We believe that at the slightest call, the Ijaw Nation will rally fully, publicly behind you. For those who do not want peace in Rivers State, let us use this medium to appeal to them. They also need this peace. It is our wish that they allow somebody who has come to do projects and development for the people of Rivers State to maintain sanity in the pursuit of that mandate given to him freely by the people of Rivers State. Whatever it will take the Ijaw Nation and the people of Rivers State to stand and queue behind that mandate, the Ijaw Youth Council is fully with that mandate. Therefore, Your Excellency, whenever the needs of Ijaw people around you is needed, please, we are just a phone call away from you, and we will stand with you shoulder to shoulder till the end of this struggle, until you have achieved this purpose for Rivers people. Thank you, and may God bless you and the people of Rivers State.
On behalf of the government of Rivers State, the good people of our dear state joined in celebrating our hero, Adakaboro. This celebration today is because this leader stood for something very unique. Genuinely equity, genuinely justice, and genuinely fair play. That is what Adakaboro stood for. And because he stood for that unique thing, even after his death, we still celebrate him because he was a liberator. Every Rivers man, it doesn't matter whether the Ijaw or whether the upland. The most important thing is that every genuine Rivers man must be a genuine liberator. And I'm happy that you have come here today. I've also received you because we have one common purpose: to liberate our dear state. We're not going back on that. I'm happy that you're telling me this morning that when I call on you, you will respond. But I don't want to call on you because we have already defeated. We have defeated them. by the special grace of God, what they thought that they would have done to us while we are celebrating our 1 year in office, they are the ones sleeping with their 2 eyes open, restless. It shows that we have the Ijaw blood. And what is that? What is that blood? Is the blood of action. Let's talk more action. So this morning, I want to appeal to you. While we celebrate or commemorate our brother, our leader, our father, Adakaboro, let it be done peacefully. I beg you. Nobody should hurt anybody. Let it be a celebration that at the end of the day, nobody is hurt. We'll go back to our homes and we say, thank God that the celebration was a success. Please, I'm appealing to everyone. There is no cause for any alarm. No cause for, in the course of this event, we'll go and spoil anything. No. In fact, those of you writing those things, there's no need for it. Huh? We are liberated. So we don't need to start carrying those sign posts and all the. Please, take away those things. That is not our cost. Huh? That is not our cost. Our cost today is to celebrate our victory. Our cost today is to celebrate the success of your leadership. Even in the face of all the crisis, division, you still stood as one. That is the important thing. So let me join you to celebrate our leader, our father, and to assure you, I've taken your request. I will look into it. And let me promise here, IYC will have its own secretariat in this state. I hope you're happy now. This is the headquarters. This is the action state. We ought to have the secretariat. So I will give you everything, every support, financially and otherwise, to make sure that before you celebrate the next year, we'll have our own secretariat. Let me on this note, like I said, we are not discussing problem because we don't have any problem. What we are discussing is celebration because we are celebrating our 1 year. So let me charge you. Go. Be good ambassador to the Ijaw Nation. Be good ambassadors to not River State, but all the Ijaw clans. That is the most important thing. And God will be with you. Thank you. And God bless you.